Bought that kite 22 years ago. My very first video I ever made and put on YouTube 18 years ago was flying this kite on Sanibel Island.
Not sure where I'm headed this time around, but I gotta leave this broken town. So I head down south to the land of the free, measure up my life, checking where I'm gonna be. And there she stands with the red coat on, looking so damn cute, with a smile like the sun.
It's hot.
With a smile like the sun.
It's very hot.
With a smile
Hot.
like the sun.
Damn hot.
And then she turns away. She's thinking of something to say. At times she is so hard to blame. She's unconventional in every way. And now I'm looking back on all the crazy.
I'm done. So where did I put my phone? I've lost my phone. No, it's boo.
Chew me up, spit me out, believe me.
Don't panic. Okay, we've got a bit of a problem. Had my phone in my back pocket as far as I remember. This can't be happening! This place is thick grass everywhere and I've been all over the place. So what now? I'm gonna find it. Gotta be here somewhere, man. I found it. I knew I'd find it, but then if I told myself that and I found it, that means I was right. If I didn't, then I was wrong. But I did. So did I really know? But I definitely think that's enough fun for one day. Hot, tired, sweaty, but it was fun.